Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexflips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 4th of September 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the forex trading analysis from my sites. Okay guys, as you know that my signal report consists of 10 signals and 4 signals have taken the proper U-turn, rest of the signals have not taken the U-turn, so there is no need to trade the rest of the 6 signals. So the pairs that have taken the U-turn and that went into our way, I am going to discuss about them right in this video. Okay, EURUSD with a bullish expectation from 109922 and 110326 is the target price, and guys, you can see we have seen a strong bullish trend on EURUSD today and it has hit the target price. So congratulations to all traders who have taken the buy positions on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits. At next, I'm going to talk about the second signal that hit consecutively as per the signals reports. New Zealand USD with a bullish expectation from 063405 and 063766 is the target price. However, target price is not met till now, but if you look at the pattern, then New Zealand USD has already went up. So congratulations to the traders who have taken the trades on this pair. At next, we are going to talk about the EURJPY. Let me take you towards the signals report. EURJPY with a bullish expectation from 116719 and 117335 is the target price. And guys, you can see first of all it has closed above the entry, and then that was the perfect time to enter into the trade. And look how sweetly EURJPY has went up, and it has went almost near to the targeted price. So if you have traded EURJPY in a bullish manner, then you must have ended up with a massive profit. Another massive profit should be at your side is on USD Canadian dollar with a bearish expectation from 133181 and 132747 was the target price. And guys, you can see within the 2 hours, even if you talk about here, within a single hour we have hit the target price with no problems, and in the second hour the market went beyond the barriers of the target price. So I congratulate all those traders and even the new traders who join my signals from yesterday or tomorrow or the day before yesterday. They must have collected the profits. Okay guys, it's very important that once you are looking that the market is making a clear bearish pressure, then there is no need to wait for the candle to close below the entry. In this scenario, when such type of scenario happens, you can simply take the trades right from the right after the entry when you see that the trading is going fast. Okay guys, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's getting the rejection, like you can see here that the market was rejected from the top red boundary and then slowly it went down. Okay, and whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum, and also the scalper has pointed you with a white arrow buy signal, and look how swiftly the market has went up, and even if you look at the scalper roll here, then at the top red boundary the scalper has pointed you with a red arrow, and then after you can see the market has came down. And guys, you will ignore the scalper arrows when the market is in the middle, so you will trust the arrows when it comes into the top red boundary or the lower red boundary. So let's say here we have received the red arrow, but let's say if there was a white arrow here, we will ignore that arrow because we will not believe, because market has already reached to the overbought level, so we are not going to buy this pair anymore. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare these signals, I teach this trick for $700 and I give coaching for 3 days on Skype, and we prepare signals together. When the client makes the payment, he comes over to me on Skype and we prepare the signals together, and after that you can even start your own signal service and also you can trade at your end. Okay guys, if you want any of these services, for all this you need to contact on info@200forexflips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.